Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel, where we demonstrate some of the fine antique porcelain and china being listed for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. And this rather beautiful English Victorian bone china sugar basin was made by Redfern and Drakeford in the Balmoral range of their branding. So Balmoral China was a sub-brand manufactured by Redfern and Drakeford. R&D there, as you can see on the bottom, China marks, England. Nicely demarcated for you. Just look at the detailing on this. Beautifully moulded. Can you see the light coming through this? Just let me hold it up to the sunlight. Can you see the translucency as I move my hand behind this bone china? But that really does pick up with this beautiful, very romanticized floral garland that just flows around the outer wall of this sugar basin. And then over these beautiful rotated shell mouldings that expand up from a quite narrow base plate into these fluted or scalloped rims, all finished off with this beautiful burnished gilt decoration. And then 2 blocks of inner wall decoration just to finish her off. Just look at those. Beautifully painted and coloured by the decorators. This transfer print that's been pasted on, which is this umber sort of background floral template really that they've used. And then the decorators have all applied hand colour decoration, and the burnishing of course applied by hand. Now there is one little condition note on this one to make you aware of considering purchasing this one, and this is this soot inclusion right down in the base plate of the inner wall of the sugar basin. Now obviously if it's full of sugar you're not going to notice that, but this is a lump of soot that's become attached during the firing in the glaze and can't be removed or bleached out. But apart from that, it's in absolutely superb and very fine antique condition, beautifully conserved. The rims are just absolutely gorgeous, thin bone china and hardly a mark on her. Absolutely gorgeous thing. And if you're looking for the absolute exquisite teacup trio to go with this sugar basin, look no further than our website. We've listed, I think, 6 or 7 of them from the set that came with this fantastic sugar basin. Don't have a milk jug, and we don't have the teapot. Of course, the most rarest element of any tea set is the teapot, and they so often get used every time and damaged during their long period of frequent use. So they tend to go the way that damaged china does over the decades. But the sugar basin survived in fantastic condition, and just on its own as a take-to-table holder for any snacks, nibbles or peanuts, anything like that. We repurpose these sugar basins because I know most people don't have sugar going to the table in a very frequent or common tea ceremony type setting, but we use these in the house and in the farmhouse for table snacks, and they just lend themselves beautifully to that. Anyway, I'm babbling on here. Haven't got puppies in the background this morning, thank goodness. So relaxed soundtrack, but I do hope you've enjoyed this informative and nice demonstration of this absolutely gorgeous piece of antique English china. Redfern and Drakeford, Balmoral. We've got the pattern number, it's in the listing. Pricing, details, measurements, everything else you need to know on the website. So do follow the link in the description below, take you through to where this sugar bowl's going on sale from the United Kingdom this morning. Thanks for watching.